Hey guys, Rowdy Dog here. I'm over here at my daughter and son-in-law's house. It's my grandson Gavin. Say hi, Gavin.
Hi.
We've got his little Craftsman 1900 PSI 2-point GPM Craftsman pressure washer. He's going to show you how it works. Hooks up to water on your hose on the faucet, and he's got the gun there. He's going to show you how good it works. Go ahead, Gavin. Look at that thing. Let's see, spray the sidewalk. See how it'll do on the sidewalk.
I already cleaned it the other day, but...
You already cleaned the sidewalk? All right. It's got good pressure. Really gives out some volume. He's got a kind of a quarter fan tip on it. Does it have other tips? Does it have other tips? Yeah, it's got other tips too. Here's a scrubbing tip it comes with, and then 2 other tips. Very cool.
That's if you
There's a
want to
jet tip and then probably a full fan spray tip. But a nice pressure washer, guys. Check it out. Craftsman 1900. And y'all have a good one. God bless.